So today I will tell you the uses of Calamox tablet. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdurrafi. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Its brand name is Calamox and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredient is Comoxiclav. It is a 375 mg tablet and its manufacturer is Bosch Pharmaceuticals. It has amoxicillin trihydrate in 250 mg, which is amoxicillin in it, and potassium clavulate, which contains clavulanic acid, which is in 125 mg. So now let's discuss its uses, indications. We are going to its leaflet. Here, amoxicillin is an penicillin derivative antibiotic. It is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It is used to treat bacterial infections, means it is used to kill bacteria. It is used to kill a wide variety of bacteria. Let us see here. You can see it can kill gram positive and gram negative bacteria. There are all the names of these bacteria, such as like Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermis. These are all the species of streptopyogens, streptococcus, streptococcus, and streptococcus, bacillus anthracis, listeria, monocytogenes, and you can see a lot of bacteria here. You can also see gram-negative bacteria like E. coli, other Klebsiella species, Salmonella species, Shigella species. In short, you can see that it is a broad spectrum antibiotic. It can kill a variety of bacteria. So you are seeing here all the names of these bacteria. You can see, you can also read its name. Here there are a lot of kind of bacteria which have different infections, different diseases. These all bacteria are disease causing bacteria, means these are pathogens. So now let's discuss its indication. These are the bacteria which it can kill. Okay, now indications. In indication you can see these all bacteria cause diseases, so it is used to treat these diseases also, means it is used in these diseases to kill these bacteria, so these diseases can be prevented. So Calamox is indicated for the treatment of common bacterial infections where antibiotic therapy is indicated, including upper respiratory tract infections, means it is used to treat upper respiratory tract infections. It includes all the respiratory system of the upper tract, in which it sinusitis, which is the inflammation of our sinus, tonsillitis, which is the inflammation of tonsils, otitis, which is the inflammation of our air system, means all the system of air, media. Lower respiratory tract infections, it is also used to treat lower respiratory tract infection, means it is used to treat the infections caused in lungs and other areas. It includes acute and chronic bronchitis, lobular and bronchopneumonia, emphysema, lung abscess, skin and soft tissue infections also. It is also used to treat skin and soft tissue infections, for example in boils, abscess, cellulitis, wound infections. It is also used to treat intra-abdominal sepsis and also used to treat genitourinary tract infections like cystitis, urethritis, which is the inflammation of urethra. And it is also used to treat pyelonephritis and septic purpural sepsis. It is also used to treat pelvic infections and chancroid, gonorrhea, and other infection also like osteomyelitis, septicemia, peritonitis, which is inflammation of peritoneum cavity, post-operative infections. It is also indicated for prophylaxis, means to prevent the infections which may be associated with major surgical procedures involving gastrointestinal, pelvic, head and neck, cardiac, renal, biliary tract and joint replacement surgery, means it is used to prevent the infections caused when during surgery or after the surgery. Okay, it is used to avoid the infections. That's why it is also given after the surgery too, in order to avoid infection. So it's a very good and effective medicine, means it is an antibiotic, so it is used to treat all kind of bacterial infections. One important thing is that here that it is only used to treat bacterial infections. It is only used to kill bacteria only. It is not used to treat viral infections, especially coronavirus. Viral infections require antiviral drugs, not antibiotics. Antibiotics are only used to treat bacteria. Okay, you have to take care of it, and also this is an antibiotic, so you have to complete its course. Okay, it has a course, you have to complete it. If you don't complete it, you won't have the benefit of it and your condition may get worse, so you have to use it very carefully. Okay, and do not use it without consulting your physician. For more details about its medicines, its drug interactions, contraindication, whether it is good for you or not, and should you use it in pregnancy or not, for all of the details you can consult your pharmacist for it. Okay, so that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. And if you want to buy this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. I will supply you too. And now take care of yourself And always remember your pharmacist, Dr. Abdul Rafi, in your prayers. Allah Hafiz, take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.